Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're afraid of scratching or breaking your smartwatch, stop being scared because I found the perfect solution for you, and it's this glass screen protector. I really like this screen protector because it's clear color and that allows my watch rose color to still be visible. It's very easy to assemble. You just literally clip it on the face of your watch and that's it. You're going to be protected from the top and every side and it won't be scratched. I love this because when I go to the gym that I'm using weights, I'm not scared of scratching it. It's so easy to break or to scratch when you are either doing construction or any physical activity. I want you to see how it looks. I'm so glad I bought this. I've had this watch for over 2 years and you're gonna see no scratches. That is amazing. I've been loving it. So if you want to avoid it from being scratched or broken, I highly recommend this, and that is just my point of view.